Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 26th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price in the last few days was in wide range sideways, and we see that the price during the Asian session went down and retested the previous day low and got rejected, and it started to come back. And then during the London session, we see that the price came back and pushed the price higher and past the previous day close. So by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, we retested a support area here on 10-minute charts, and the buyers came back on Nasdaq and S&P 500, but Dow Jones is going down. So our plan of action for today is due to the Fed meeting minute release afternoon, and high volatility is to wait for after the Fed minute release. And if the price has a deep pullback around this supports area and the buyers come back, we will take long position to this level again. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and it's afternoon after release of the Fed meeting minutes, and we took several long positions with setup C on Nasdaq, and also we took some positions with breakout on Dow Jones, which was very trendy, and on S&P 500 with a small pullback that it had. Now we are managing these positions. The price is very choppy, so still it's hard for novice traders to trade this market, and we try to aggressively manage these positions and use price action and order flow for better entry and exits. Now we have one position on Nasdaq. We had second position filled. So we're managing the Nasdaq positions now, and close one position with profit, and close the second one in the middle of channel. So we close other positions of Nasdaq and close all of them. And also because the Dow Jones was not going up strongly, I closed that and also closed the S&P 500. Now we have one position on Nasdaq that was closed with profit. We have a breakout now from this narrow volatile range. So I entered one long position not to miss the trend, and set other limit orders below that for better entry price. So we're managing this position now. Second position was filled. I entered another position and close all of them in the upper area of channel because it was choppy. Now setting more limit orders below this level. We're getting close to the round 50 number, so we may have a deep pullback from here. So I entered one more position and see if there's any deep pullback to take. I entered one long position because I saw the buying pressure is strong. Second position was filled. I'm trying to close this one also with a small profit. Another breakout entry, and that was also closed with profit. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. As you see, we are positive with profit factor of 8, which is coming from 84% win rate from 19 long positions taken, and average win to loss ratio of 1.53. The largest winning trade was 180, and the largest losing trade was $84. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.